finally warm, the days are longer, and for me that means two things: yacht rock and Aperol Spritzers. Nothing says like summertime, springtime to me like sitting out on my balcony with my hubs, turning on some cool, smooth yacht rock and sipping on an Aperol Spritzer. Now, if you're not familiar with the Aperol Spritzer, they're very common in Italy. Actually, it's an aperitivo, and they drink this at happy hour. So when you go out to like around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock in Italy, lots of the bars are serving spritzers, and they're usually made with white wine, they're made with Prosecco, a little club soda, and it's what you drink before you go to dinner or when you're socializing with friends. The thing I like most about Aperol Spritzers is they're not high octane, so they're not gonna like knock you off your feet, so you still will be able to make it to dinner or make dinner. And they're super easy to make, and they're refreshing, and they're just the perfect cocktail to sip on, have a conversation, wind down from the day before you roll into your night festivities. And it's really easy. So let's get started on an Aperol Spritz. Oh, and I have a shirt that says Spritz all day. Thank you, Target, for being my spirit animal and just getting me on that level, knowing that Spritz season is here. Anyway, now we're on to the Aperol Spritzer. So you have to use Aperol. This is, it's a liqueur that's made with different herbs, and it's bitter. So it's kind of like orange and grapefruit had a baby. It's very bitter, but it's not bad. It does take a little getting used to. So we're gonna start with 2 parts of Aperol. Now again, this is kind of like choose your own adventure, but I'm gonna give you the recipe and you can adjust to your taste. So I'm gonna do about 2 ounces of Aperol. And look at that fun, bright orange color. Isn't that cool? Love that. So then we put that in there, and then the next part, we top with sparkling wine. You can use Prosecco, you can even use white wine, but I use whatever sparkling we have in our refrigerator because we've always got sparkling wine in my refrigerator. Today we're using an American sparkling white champagne, and you just fill it all the way up. Let the bubbles settle. Do a little more. And then, now the original recipe says to top with a splash of club soda, but it doesn't really make that big of a difference, and then you open a club soda for a splash. So for me, I leave it out, but if you want to, do you, boo? You kind of stir it, and you have a straw, and you just sit back, enjoy the summer breeze, and enjoy. Cheers, everybody.